This is the best mid-tier gaming TV in Trinidad money can buy. It can be used daily with your PS5 or Xbox. Now, the reason this is such a good TV is because it has a native 120 Hz refresh rate along with a 10 to 20 millisecond response time. And yes, all of this can be done in beautiful HDR10 4K. I am filming this with an iPhone, so just know, whatever you're seeing here looks even better in person. So this is the JVC LT58KM858 58-inch 4K gaming TV. It's available from Deal Dog Cunupia, coming out to around 3,600 Trinidad dollars. It's actually cheaper when you order directly on their website, www.dealdog.net. Games like Call of Duty, Fortnite, Doom Eternal, Tekken 8, FC26, or really any fast-paced competitive game is gonna look and feel amazing on this screen. I know a lot of us console gamers who are playing on a bigger screen haven't had the chance to try out gaming at 120 frames, but it truly makes all the difference, and you will be blown away at how good the image looks. Even if you're not using a headset, the Dolby Atmos immersive sound is pretty impressive compared to TCL TVS at this same size. Powered by the Google TV platform, this smart TV gives you access to thousands of streaming apps, including Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, Apple TV, Spotify, and more. Connectivity is simple with 3 HDMI 2.1 ports, with one being EARC, Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi 5, 2 USB ports, and Ethernet, allowing you to easily connect gaming consoles, soundbars, streaming devices, and wireless headphones. Let me know down in the comments what you're currently gaming on, and if you think this gaming TV is worth it. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.